Welcome to the guided meditation for building focus. Let's start by closing your eyes and visualize before you the following mantras. I am alive. I am free. I am capable. I am strong. Open your eyes and they say the mantras out loud. I am alive. I am free. I am capable. I am strong. Close your eyes again and visualize the energy flowing through your body. With each mantra, another part of your body becomes flooded with this unstoppable, warm energy. I am alive. Your feet begin to wake up. Feel the energy rise up from the earth that supports you and flow freely through your legs. I am free. Feel the energy rise through your navel and belly, all the way up through the lungs. Take a deep breath and feel your chest expand. I am capable. The energy now flows through your joints of your shoulder and down your arms, past the elbows and to the tips of each finger. Close your hands into two strong fists and then relax your fingers again. Allow them to gently fall open. I am strong. Feel the energy rise up through your throat, expanding as you continue to breathe through your face and head, all the way to the crown of your head. With this energy within you, allow nothing and no one to stand between you and your goals today. I am alive. I am free. I am capable. I am strong.